guys, it's Jamie from Not Too Shabby, and I am doing a giveaway. It's called Name My New Stamp Set giveaway, so I need some help. I have a new stamp set coming out. It will be released in early July. It features two really pretty cows. I think they're the prettiest cows I've ever seen. It features 3 little mice in different poses, a bale of hay, there's a patch of grass, there's a party hat that you can put on the cows, there's a little flower wreath that you can put on top of the cow's head as a little crown. We have a balloon, a little flower cluster, and then we have some sentiments. Holy cow, it's your birthday. Hey there, and thank you very much. So it's a really fun stamp set. And I am going to give away the stamp set before it's released to a lucky winner on YouTube and two lucky winners on Instagram. So I will give away to a winner and the friend that they tagged on Instagram. So all you have to do to enter on my YouTube channel is leave a comment down below of the name of the new stamp set that you think it should be called. And I will randomly pick a winner on Monday. This giveaway is going to end on Sunday, June 17th. So that'll be the last day to enter. So go ahead and follow my Instagram account if you would like another chance to win for you and your friend. I'll have my Instagram account linked in the description box for you. My Instagram account is Jamie_Scrappin' So I hope you guys enter the giveaway, and I can't wait to see what you would like to call this stamp set. And I appreciate your help. And I hope you like the new stamp set. Let me also know what you think about it. I do have the stamp set listed in the shop as unavailable, but you could click on the link, email me when it's back in stock. That way, when I do have the new stamp set listed, you'll get an email that it's back in stock, and then you can grab yours. So thank you guys for participating in the giveaway, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys.